This entire design was created by AI, and I'm going to show you how to take a simple prompt and turn it into this awesome engraving. I'm Ashley and this is Chip Build, so let's jump into it. So I need to create some quick and cool artwork for my knife here. And so what I'm going to do is use my custom ChatGPT called Laser Buddy. Now this is geared for laser engravers, and it's just going to make the process of actually generating laser ready artwork easier. If you don't use this, then you just are going to kind of take longer to get to your desired result. So this is making it as easy as possible and as quick as possible. So I'm going to just go to MakerFlow's website and I'm going to type in knife and look for a picture of the blank I'm using. That way the Laser Buddy kind of knows what shape it's generating the artwork for. So then I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT, and you can use it one of two ways. You can talk to it or you can type it out. I prefer talking to it initially just because it makes it a little bit easier, because normally that first prompt is very descriptive. I want to generate 5 different patriotic designs in honor of America turning 250 this year. I want it to look really cool. I don't want it to look kiddish or cartoonish. I want nice fine detail that can be laser engraved, with the artwork being black on a white background. So we have our prompt here, so let's hit enter and we'll see what it gives us. Now real quick, if you found this video or any of my other videos helpful at all, can you please check out my xTool affiliate links down below? It really helps me out if you use them. It costs you nothing extra, and I even have a discount code if you want to use it. I make all of this content for free just because I want to help you guys. This is something small that you guys can do, or you can simply just subscribe to this channel. I should have added, I want to generate them one at a time. I did forget to add that to my prompt. All right, so right off the bat, we have some really awesome artwork. So I can say, I love what you came up with, but I want to generate it one at a time, and you don't have to have the outline shape. Artwork only. So then it should just do it one at a time. Alternatively, you could also start with, hey, let's come up with 5 laser prompts first. Then you could edit them and then generate that way as well. It's really kind of versatile for how you can use it. Laser Buddy can also help you come up with different products to sell as well. But honestly, these all look really awesome. I really like this number 3 one. All right, and so we got something that looks pretty cool. This isn't quite the right shape, but it's okay. So I'm gonna just hit next. And then we can save this. Then all we have to do is pick our favorite design. So let's head over to the xTool F2. All right, now we have our designs generated, so we are going to import them into xTool software. So I have all of these artwork here. Now some will work better than others, but I also have an outline of my knife shape. And so I'm going to switch this to Engraved so you can kind of see it better. And then I'm going to kind of just position it over all of these and see kind of which one might be good. That one might be good. This one could be okay, but we'd only get the top part of it. That one could be nice. I do like this one, and I also like that one as well. So it kind of just depends what we want to do. And then also we could, we could move these about, kind of, twist and all that fun stuff. So I'm not sure which one I like best. Kind of like this one. I think we're going to go with this middle one. So let's bring this up higher so we can actually see. I'm going to turn the image. Sure, let's go right there. So I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to click mask. And you can still adjust it from there. I'm going to hit done. And then perfect. So I'm going to center this up. And then we can get the laser ready. So what I need to do is remove this base plate. And I'm going to put my custom 3D printed jig in here. And then these knife blanks come in this really nice foam packaging. So if you really wanted to, you could just lay that in there and engrave it like that. But I'm going to pull it out and get it situated. Just like that. And then we need to get it in focus. That looks great. So then I'm going to come to my settings sheet, which you can get access to in my Facebook group, and get my settings, which is 45, 200, and 550. We'll do Jarvis, power 45, 200, and 550, and we'll just see how this goes. So let's frame this out to see what we're working with. I think that looks right, but I want to also do the outline view. And then, okay, so it's off just a little bit, so I need to bump it over to the left. All right, that looks fine. This is IR, not blue light. I almost missed that. And then we'll see how long this is going to take. 5 minutes. Since we're engraving on a black surface, I forgot I want to invert this. So we go to Adjustments and click Invert. So this will take 7 minutes. All right. So let's hit start. And then now we can hit the button. Well, this came out looking absolutely amazing. Look at that detail. That is crazy. And you can barely feel it on the surface. But I mean, we got some intense shading and this just looks so good. And the really cool thing about these knives is there's also a rope cutter and a bottle opener, and this thing will shatter a windshield. So I always recommend that people keep one of these in their car, in their little glove compartment box or center console, because you just never know. But there you go. That is pretty awesome. We've just elevated this $13 product into easily a $30 product. I think in some states you could get up to $60 for this. It just depends on your area. The really nice thing too is this box that it comes in. It has this nice peekaboo window. Now, you can't tell me that's not going to look amazing on your table at a craft show or the state fair or something. I mean, that's just pretty cool. If you want to learn more about lasers or how to make money or even using AI in your laser workflow, check out some of these other videos that I have on this channel. I think you're going to like them a lot, and I think you might learn something.